Okay, the first question for week 17 is from chapter 4. Okay, so we are doing a revision for chapter 4. So let's read through the question. We have a figure 2 here. Okay, the two objects of mass M1 10 kg, M2 15 kg are connected by a light string which passes over a smooth pulley as shown in figure 2. Find the acceleration of the object of the mass 10 kg and also the tension in each string. Okay, so if we refer the diagram, we have the direction of motion here. So it goes downward for M2 and it goes upward for M1. So this is also telling us the direction of acceleration. Okay, so the first question to find acceleration. So basically the first thing to do is we draw the forces acted on two bodies in our case. Okay, so if we refer or if we focus on M2, we have weight. So to make it different, we write down weight 2, and also we have tension. So remember, direction of tension is always outward from the object. And for object M1, we also have weight W1, and also we have tension. Again, it is outward from the object. So in our case, our tension here and here are the same because they are sharing the same string. Okay, so to start with, we draw the free body diagram to solve acceleration. Okay, so if we refer object number 1, okay, the free body diagram should be this way. And we draw the direction of motion next to the free body diagram. And for object number 2, we have, okay, W2T, but this time our acceleration is downward. Okay, so to start with, we generate the equation for both motion, okay, forces acted on M1 and M2. So on M1, so it's going to be, okay, summation of Fy is equal to MA, M1A, okay, so it's going to be T minus W1 is equal to M1A. Okay, so why we have T minus W1? Because our direction of acceleration is equal to the direction of tension. So this tension is supposed to be positive. Okay, so this is going to be, we substitute the values, T M1G equal to M2 equal to M1A. So T is equal to M1 is 10, 9.81 plus 10A. Okay, so this is our first equation. So in this equation, we have two unknown parameters, tension and area. Okay, now we solve forces on M2. Okay, forces on M2. So this one is M, up here is M1. So again, we start with summation of Fy is equal to M2A. Okay, so the equation is W2 minus T is equal to M2A. So M2G minus T is equal to M2A. Now we already have our T from the first question. Then we can straight away substitute the values. So M2, our M2 is 15, G is 9.81, tension is 10, 9.81 plus 10A equal to M2 is 15A. Okay, so rearranging all the equations, okay, sorry, it's supposed to be negative here because it's negative T. Okay, so rearranging all the equations, you will get, okay, 25 9.81 is equal to 25A. So your A is supposed to be 1.962 meter per second squared. Okay, so to solve B, we want to find tension. Okay, so we can use the equation T that we have generated just now. So T is equal to 10, 9.81 plus 10A. A is 1.962. So bear in mind that our A here for object M1 is equal to A for object M2. Okay, so now you will have your tension as 117.72 Newton.